In this eBookMaker review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to easily create ebooks along with 1 million pre-made ebooks and articles, all with PLR licenses. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out eBookMaker, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, finally, amazing limitless ebooks and articles in 60 seconds at a low one-time price. Get instant access to the world's first cloud-based one-click ebook and article creator, along with 1 million pre-made ebooks and articles with PLR license. Sell unlimited ebooks and articles to your clients with an unlimited license. So essentially what the software does is it allows you to create ebooks, and it has done for you PLR as well. It says log in, select from 100 ready-to-use templates, or you can create an ebook from scratch. Step 2, add in your own content or use the inbuilt content feature. Then you can preview or download it in one click, create unlimited ebooks and articles. You can use it for yourself or you can sell it to clients. Now, they have a list of a bunch of testimonials here, but they also have some screenshots of like money that they made. Now, do I believe that they made $23 in just 7 days using the software? No. I think these are just random screenshots, so don't purchase this based upon these screenshots. Purchase this if you're looking for a way of making ebooks. Don't think it's gonna like magically make you money overnight, as that doesn't exist. Remember, it doesn't exist. If you watch my channel, you know that. If you go ahead here, you can look at here, you can say you can use this to share content and get traffic and sales, make easy money on Amazon, Smashwords. I don't know about easy money, but you can create ebooks and put them on Amazon. I've personally made hundreds of dollars on Amazon selling ebooks. You can sell courses through ebooks, so you can make like lead magnets, you can generate new business leads, you can repurpose that content in that different format here. Now, it says here that you can go out there and spend money to get ebooks created, or you can use the software to do it for you. Now, you see all these people charging money to create ebooks. You could actually go out there and create ebooks and sell this as a service. That's like a way that you could make money with this. So let me bring this down here, and I'm going to show you a demo video in a second. They do some comparisons here with some other softwares out there on the market. But if you purchase today, you get access to the cloud-based platform, the ebook creator software, hundreds of high-quality ready-to-use templates, 60-second ebook generator, the cover creator, all these different millions of ebooks with PLR license, millions of articles with PLR license, and the commercial license, all these extra things included on the front end. But I do want to show you this. When you come to the sales page, make sure that you move your mouse away so you can get a discount as well. Now, I make less as an affiliate by showing that too, but I always want you to get the lowest price. So make sure you hit that like button, as it really helps out with my channel. Okay, what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video showing you more about this. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts. Okay, so now we're in the back-end area here, and this is where you can create your ebooks, you get your templates, you can create your articles, pre-made articles, cover creator, everything inside of this dashboard. Now they have multiple OTOs here. So the first one here says supercharge your ebook account maker for extra 1 million ebooks and article templates, unlimited reseller license with this one. You can also remove their eBookMaker branding. So apparently there's a branding on the ebooks unless you get the first upgrade. So you might want to consider doing that. Now what you want to do on this is move your mouse away, as you can get a discount. It's going to pop up here. It popped up for us before, so maybe it's not going to pop. Here we go. You can get a discount here. Now again, iMakeLess is an affiliate, so please hit that like button. It really helps me out. The next one you're going to see, it says get your own Fiverr-like marketplace to sell unlimited ebooks, articles, and other digital products on. So this is a marketplace that you can sell on. Move your mouse away on this one, and you can get a discount. So make sure you do that. Next one here says start your own profitable done for you marketing agency. With this one here, move your mouse away and get a discount on this one as well. The next one here is a special bundle deal of a bunch of different products. Move your mouse away and get a discount on this one. Next one here is a white label license to this bookmaker software so that you can actually sell it like it's your own product. And of course, as always, move your mouse away here and you get a discount on this one as well. And the last one you're going to see is looks like stock image and videos. So you can get this as well. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about eBookMaker and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, again, those income claims and stuff are unnecessary. Also, if you're looking for like a high-tech super software, I mean, this is a one-time price. So it's not going to be as good as something that you're paying like monthly or yearly for, just so you know. What do I like about it? If you're looking for a cheap way of creating ebooks and you want a software to do it, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at eBookMaker, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And click that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.